Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how do we know that element is selected or not in a drop down. So let's say here I'm selecting the second one. How do we know that second is selected, or how do we know first is selected? For that, we have a method called isSelected. Let us see that. So let me go back to the program. I have already created isSelect here. So now let me copy, let's say select by attribute program, Control C, Control V. I can add up to delete up to here. So select box, yeah, I can delete up to this position. So now what I'll do, I'll just have to make sure that it is visible or not. Okay. So now we'll write let element. We don't need to have this also. So I'll just write the constant. So eleone. So I need element 1. So let me open the display.html. So the value which I gave is value first value. How do we get an object for that? Just we have to add. Let me copy this one. Let me paste it here. So just have to write await, and here I can easily take without taking XPath for now. Let me just add the value. So I'll write equal to in the square brackets. So value equal to double quotes or single quote. So I can give anything. So I'll write a single quotes instead of double quotes. I'll just write first value. If it is selected, then what I'll do, just write console.log a boolean value. Let's set console.log. So await ele1 dot is selected. So is selected itself will give you the boolean value. So whether it is selected or not, we can actually trace it back. So I'll just write it is selected. I'll add semicolon here, and then I can take ele2 something like that. I can show whether it is not selected or not. So let us take ele2. So let me add first value. Into the first value, I'll write second value. So select second value and ele2 dot selected. First one should give me true. Second one should give me false. So let me take this one away and let me add it here. Package.json, I already have this. So let me run this. So now it should launch. So now it launched the browser. So yeah, let's see, first is selected, second is not selected. Let us see, in 15 seconds it has completed. So we should get first time is true, second time is false. The first result was true here, and if you come down, second result is false. Yeah, that is about is selected. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.